Hello everyone, it's Vicky Sykes with Bella Casa by Vicky Sykes. Again, showing you how to create something beautiful. Today we'll be doing a wedding bouquet. Before we get started, I'd like for you to go ahead and subscribe and make sure you like this video. Thanks for stopping by Bella Casa by Vicky Sykes, where beauty and style live. Let's get started. First, we have here a variety of flowers in no particular order. I will leave a list posted with all of the items that we use, all of the flowers, what kind of flowers. We have snippers and some pens and ribbon, and I forgot to put the floral tape here, but you will need some floral tape as well. Here I am. I began to start the bouquet with the main flower as my center, and I basically went back and forth on each side with alternating flowers, and I kept going back and forth looking at it to make sure that it was making a great base and looking like I wanted to look. Okay, so my bouquet is looking like I want it to look. So I am now adding a few fillers and some Ruscus greenery to my bouquet to give it a little twist. I then begin to wrap the floral tape around it to secure all of my flowers together. As you can see here, you put the tape to make your base before you put on your ribbon. So I put my ribbon, and on the end of the ribbon I folded the end so it would not be frayed, and then I inserted 3 pearl head pins up in the bouquet, the stems. Make sure they are up in the stem so you will not stick your hand, or the bride will not stick her hand as well. I also added a brooch to the bouquet as well. Unfortunately, the brooch did not show on the video. However, later in the video you will see pictures and other videos that you will be able to see it. On a bouquet, the stems are typically a little shorter than I left this one, and however, you can make your stems a little shorter than this one. But here we are, the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and like the video, and come back again and follow me across all social media platforms. Thanks again for stopping by. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and come back again so you can see more DIY home interior and event design.